Good afternoon, everyone, and thanks for coming to attend this webinar. I'm Anantharaja, Application Engineer at EGS Computers India Private Limited, Trichy. Before going to start, I hope I'm audible to all. And welcome to today's webinar on Design Smarter, Collaborate Better with 3D Experience SolidWorks. In today's session, we will explore how the 3D Experience platform extends the capabilities of SolidWorks by bringing design, collaboration, simulation, and data management into a single cloud platform environment. And this is our timeline where we started in 1993. Our EGS is started as a engineering service company, and then 1999 we are tied up with the Dassault system. We became the authorized reseller of SolidWorks, and 2007 we started the office in Coimbatore. 2009 EGS India Trichy is started, and we have headquartered in Trichy, Chennai. Yeah, we are authorized partnership with Dassault system. We EGS and our vision is to develop engineering process to component with current technologies, and our mission to provide solution to NPD, new product development by software solution. This is our mission and vision. And here you can see who we are. Since 1993 we are in this field, and we have 150 plus members in our team. Our branches are in Chennai, Coimbatore and Trichy. Almost we are worked with so many vertical customers. We have 2000 plus customers, and we have affiliation with some committees. This is our growth. Who we are technology solution partner. Basically, we provide three types of solution: software solution. We understand your workflow and identify pain points and suggest software as a solution. This include from design stage, second 2D design till the product is manufactured and sent out to the market, including simulation, validation, documentation, quality check, data management, etc. Second, training and implementation, equipping you with a software solution and training you to effectively utilize it to your workflow and requirement. Third, our service for issues, pain point, you cannot dedicate a resource for multiple reasons, we will provide the resource. And this is our team: software solution, business development, technical support and service, data management and implementation, software development, marketing, engineering services, academic training, human resources and administration. And this is our industry vertical where we are serving human and lifestyle, consumer packaged goods and retails, business services, energy and materials, construction cities and territories, industrial equipment, high-tech, transport and mobility, aerospace and defense, marine and offshore, and finally life science. This is our EGS India customer in Tamil Nadu under the branch of Chennai, Coimbatore and Trichy. These are our major customers. Mostly here you can see the Trichy branch office customers. Most of customers come from Trichy and its region. Now let's see, this is a product, a miter saw. How we will use the SolidWorks 3D experience effectively for design smarter, collaborate better with our team members in 3D experience SolidWorks. Let's see, left side you can see the model of our design part, and here we are going to design the yoke and new handle for this miter saw special machine. Right side you can see this is the output what we are doing in our SolidWorks. Let's go take an example. There is a manager Megan in your company. Under her there is a two person. One is Don designer and another one is Dan designer. It's a Don designer work. Just he is creating new part for this component which is yoke, for this miter saw assembly which is yoke. After that he is taking drawing for that assembly, I mean that newly designed part. You can extract the dimension from part what you given in the modeling time, and you are saving this part in 3D experience, which is a cloud-based secure storage. It is integrated with the SolidWorks platform, I mean software. Yeah, after create the, let's see, after create the design, you can store this part in 3D experience cloud-based storage. And now it's already I told 3D experience is integrated with SolidWorks. You can see the newly designed part is stored in cloud storage. And now it's a collaborative task. Let's open the collaborative task in the 3D experience. There is a task to do. You can in SolidWorks 3D experience collaborative task, you can assign the task to your employees and you can monitor the whole process. You can also attach the file in assigned task where the employee which file he have to or she have to work. Now he is attaching that I mean he is opening that Eric is Dan design is opening that miter saw assembly from retrieving from SolidWorks 3D experience, and before going to work on that assembly, he will lock the assembly. Due to that, we can eliminate the duplication of our data. Here you can see the status of the part is locked, the key symbol in green color, so no one cannot work parallelly in your locked part. Now you are just assembling that part using smart mates in the assembly. In the yoke part we have another in the miter saw assembly we have another task. We have to apply this end cap in the newly designed yoke part. Just give the mate, make the copy to create the another mate. Now just create the drawing for this. Automatically you can see the drawing is updated, and SolidWorks 3D experience is automatically aware your changes, so the revision is changed. So you can see in our company we can ensure everyone working on latest revision. Just after complete the work, you can drag and drop the drawing file. Before that, if you want any modification means you can do and save that in SolidWorks 3D experience. After complete the task, just drag and drop the new drawing in deliverables. You can get the attachment, and also after done the work you can attach the file deliverables, and now you can change the status. The task is completed. Automatically the manager get notification. Now there is another task. We have to using 3D mockups, we are viewing the assigned task. Here we have to simulate our newly designed yoke product, yoke part. Just change the status of the assigned task in work and open the assembly. Here using configuration you can focus on where you have to work. Just go to SolidWorks simulation and apply the study. Now you can see after that we studied and customized the part based on our need. Yeah, now just give the new revision for our yoke part. Actually we have modified the designed part after simulation. Now just give the revision command, and revision is A2. Next, just add some fillets in the assembly page. You can add the fillets whatever you want modification. Now you can see this is the yoke part. We are changing the maturity status. Yeah, actually we are after done the part design and validation. We are setting that newly designed task in frozen state. Now the Dawn designer work is completed, and now it's time for manager. So you can see newly designed part, and also so you can view the part in browser based tool. So you don't need SolidWorks for this specifically. Using 3D navigate, so you can see what are the parts designed by which designer. We are using that filter option. She is viewing the designed part of Dan designer. And next is she is seeing the part is in newly designed and validation yoke part is in frozen state. So now she is comparing using 3D experience compare. She is comparing the yoke part, previous one and newly designed one. By this you can visually see the extra features added and material to add, material to remove by the color code. That's using session we can see the all the thing. Now the miter saw is opened in 3D Navigate. It's a permission management. Let's see. Now she is filtering the absent by color code. What are the part designed by which designer? And also she is viewing the status of in-work maturity. Now yeah, she's viewing the newly designed yoke part. Yeah, she also opening, and yeah, after complete all the designs and modification, the Megan manager is just releasing that newly designed yoke part. In the comments she is mentioning the designer Don, which is designed, and that part is designed by designer, and providing appreciate for that. Now the Megan manager work is completed. Now it's time for Dan designer. Just he is logging into the 3D experience and viewing the handle of this miter saw assembly machine. Here he is deleting this handle because we are going to design new handle in in smooth and curved shape. In the assembly he is enabling the new component to edit, to create, and okay that. Then activate that new component. You can see the remaining parts are going to transparent. So by that you can focus on where you have to design. And next there is a 3D freeform shape. Just enable that freeform shape. Using edges you can alternate the freeform shape based on you. Here the freeform X shape is used to creating freeform and organic shapes quickly. It provides greater flexibility during the conceptual design stages and helps designer generate innovative product concepts. After place that freeform shape in the required place of handle, just he is providing dimension to that bounding box. Now just using edges and edge points, he is changing the shape of that new handle. Using extrude cut he is removing the material in the newly designed designing handle. Just using edges and tried, you can modify whatever you want. By the insert loop, you can sharpen the edges, and now just extrude the handle up to that miter saw attachment. Here you can see we designed the new handle for this miter saw machine, which is really ergonomic shape, which is optable for our hand, and we can easily change the angle based on our requirement. Using edges and points, we can modify the shape of this freeform shape and get better handle. Yes. Next, after design this new handle, we can change the shape of this handle based on our look. We design this handle in better way and select the edges and faces. Just using push and pull technique, we can totally change our shape of our freeform model. Now look at that. This is our newly designed handle. Just save that newly designed handle in 3D Experience. In that you can also add the command. Bookmark editor is a folder structure of our 3D Experience storage. Now the Dan designer work is completed. Now the next responsibility is Dan designer. Just he is logging into the 3D Experience and getting the notification from the Dan designer. Yeah, now the new handle is ready. We have to work further for the finishing. So just Dan Design is opening that newly designed handle in SolidWorks desktop. Here left side you can see the SolidWorks designed part and cloud-based 3D Experience X-Shape designed part in the future manager tree. Just open that newly designed part. Now he is after modification, he is changing this newly designed part in 3D Experience. Now yeah, he is doing modification for that. He's splitting the faces and adding grooves, making grip to strengthen this handle. This kind of modification he is doing in SolidWorks desktop. Now the Dan designer work is completed. Next, the Dan designer is going to create the visualization. By the visualization is helps to create realistic rendering of our product. Just open this newly designed Mitasha machine in SolidWorks Visualize. Here it's the interface. Just import the file from SolidWorks 3D Experience. It's a cloud-based tool. You can retrieve based on filter. Just drag and drop open the Mitasha newly designed machine. This Mitasha machine. You can see and apply the appearance, and you can change the perspective of this machine. And also for rendering, you can choose the focal distance and aperture, everything based on our convenience. Here you can see the handle is really look nice. After that, save this rendered image in bookmark editor of SolidWorks 3D Experience, which is the folder based storage. And now after that, is exporting this rendered image, which is useful for marketing purpose. Before going to create that product prototype, you can take the rendered image by our CAD model using SolidWorks Visualize. Just export that images, provide the file name, and after render this product, let's see, this is the our Mitasha machine newly designed. It's like really nice. This is the animation of our Mitasha machine, which is created by our SolidWorks Visualize. And in SolidWorks, we have the artificial intelligence with generative AI. Image of one mechanism can become usable design data. The new 2D mechanism absent in the picture to sketch recognized linkages, anchors, rollers, hinges, sliders, and other elements, and automatically applies the right constraint. This means engineers can move from an idea on paper to functional sketch in the seconds, accelerating the path from the concept to design. Now in generative drawing, we are step 1. Now Leo allows specification before generation. You define standard, constraints, and formatting expectation, so output reflects your intent, not generic defaults. By the Leo AI, just give the prompt. By that you can create the drawing for our assemblies and parts. Let's just review the drawing before going to save that. Just give the prompt. By the prompt you can create the drawing. It's a drawing sheet, you can save on your folders. Now by the Aura AI, you can create the auto task creation in the collaborative task. Finally, in this demonstration in the webinar, we seen part design enables the fast and accurate creation of our engineering components. Centralized cloud storage for secure access to all product. Yes, we designed the part and made the revisions, changed the maturity status, everything, and stored in cloud. Revision controls ensure everyone works on latest design version. Maturity status streamlines approvals and release processes. 3D search helps user quickly find parts, assemblies, drawings, and documents in the SolidWorks 3D experience. And 3D Navigate enables design review without require CAD expertise. Bookmark Editor improves project organization and data management in the cloud storage. And using collaborative tasks enhance our communication between designers, managers and stakeholders. And simulation and validation helps verify product performance before manufacturing. XShape accelerates concept design innovation and ergonomic shape. SolidWorks Visualize creates realistic product rendering for customer presentation and marketing. Single source of truth for product development across the organization. It's reduced rework, faster time to market and improved product quality. Thank you to attend this webinar. For extra information, you can visit us this website.